Feeding screws that have a shorter thread profile than the dimensions of the head present a challenge to automated assembly operations. Maintaining the required orientation in the feed tube isn't possible when the length or breadth of the fastener don't provide a distinct profile and may tumble in round feeding hose. In these situations, there are only 3 viable options available to engineers. 1. You can change the profile of the screw by making the shank longer or the head smaller. 2. Use a profiled feeding tube. Or 3. Opt for a pick-and-place solution. By engaging with Weber early in the design process, we can help you find an optimized solution that can save you plenty of headaches down the line.